Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. Today we're going to be drawing Mickey Mouse. Here's a picture of it now. So get yourself some plain white paper, you'll need a pencil, an eraser and a black pen. And also, if you like drawing animals, don't forget to download my free PDF of how to draw horse galloping, which you'll find just here. So let's get started. So Mickey Mouse is basically constructed with lots of circles and ovals, so that's exactly what we're going to be drawing today. So first of all, get yourself a pencil and we will draw a circle just in the top half of the page. Now just draw it lightly, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Mine certainly isn't perfect. Just draw more or less a circle like this. There we go. So that's circle number one. Now we're going to draw two ovals for the ears. So we're going to draw one oval here. Just like this. And another oval, another oval on top here. Let's make this oval just a tiny bit bigger. So it's roughly the same size as this one. The beauty with drawing ovals is that you can just go round and round and round until you get just the right shape and size. Okay, now we're going to be drawing an oval inside this circle. So just draw one here. And remember, if I go too quickly, please just hit pause and then rewind. Just follow it at your own speed. All right, so there's one oval there. We're going to add another one for the eye. So that one's going to be touching this one. It comes round like so, round like that. There we go. Now we're going to be doing another oval that actually cuts across these ones. So very carefully, I'm going to draw another oval. It comes all the way down to here, comes out. This is a much larger oval. And then comes round like so. There we go. Remember, these don't have to be perfect. Don't give up, keep on going. Once we've got all the ovals in place, then there's really very little to do. So we're going to have another big oval here. So get yourself a big oval, just like this. This oval is going to be almost as big as this circle that we did up here. So here we go. And then once you can draw Mickey, you'll be able to replicate it loads and loads of times once you've got the hang of it. There we go. That's your other oval. Now we're going to draw the legs. So one leg comes out like this. So just draw two lines, just coming outwards like so. And then the same here, just at an angle. There we go. Now I'm afraid there are more ovals for the feet. I know you're going to be sick of these ovals and sick of me saying them, but it's just the easiest way to draw this, so go for it. Here's another oval here, and then we've got another one that overlaps this one. There we go. Who knew that Mickey was just made up of a whole load of ovals? All right, so we've got another one on this side. This oval is just slightly bigger than the ones that we were doing on that side, and it's also at a different angle, so just have a look at that angle. We're going to be doing one more, and then it's almost the last oval. I'm afraid we've got a couple more to go, but don't lose hope, keep on going. You've done so well to come this far. Look, it's almost done. You can tell that it's Mickey Mouse, almost, sort of, maybe not. Okay, so that's the first stage. Stage two, we're going to add in a few more of the features. So first of all, we're going to join up this circle at the top to this oval at the bottom. So draw a line coming down, goes inside this oval shape and round like so. I'm going to draw another line just coming round and hitting the top of this oval shape here. From there, it comes down and round, and that's the top of the shorts. So that's Mickey's shorts. Can you see that? Now we're going to add two oval shapes here. I know, back with the ovals. And another one there. Okay, Now we're going to draw his little arm. So line coming down like that, coming in. And then the same, the outer part of the arm, coming out and then in. Now we're going to do the eyes next. So here we're going to draw a line coming up and then bring it round. And this line comes round here. We're now going to draw the nose. So just about here, just below where this oval crosses the circle, I'm going to draw a line going across like that. That's the top of the nose. So one eye is going to go from this top of the nose upwards and down. You can colour that in. I'm going to put the other eye next to it to the left. So we're just going to draw like a little line going across and then the eye. There we go. We're then going to finish off with the nose here. There we go. And then the mouth is going to follow this oval shape all the way around until you get here. Okay? Because that's where the lower lip's going to go. And this lower lip comes in like so. I'm now going to use my eraser because it's getting a little bit jumbled up and you can't really see what I'm doing. So let's get rid of some of these preparatory lines. All the ones that I don't need anymore. Trying to do it without rubbing out absolutely everything. There we go. So let's follow this one round. That one was fine. I'm going to do the lower lip. It comes round here. Comes all the way around. Inwards like this. And then the tongue like that. Then the corner of the mouth. And then that's that part. So we've finished the head now. So just for the feet and the shorts. So why don't we tackle the shorts next? We've come to around here. Now just here is going to be the top of the leg parts of the shorts. So I'm just going to raise just here. Okay, and I'm going to raise the top of this leg as well, just so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, well done for keeping at it this long. Done an amazing job. And you're very soon going to get your amazing drawing. So keep going, doing so well. Alrighty, so just draw a loop where it loops round and then the leg comes through. So we're going to draw this part of the shorts here. That's following that oval shape that we did before. And then the top of the other part of the shorts that comes round and then gets lost somewhere underneath there. Okay. Now for the shoes. We're almost there. Keep going, keep going. I'm just going to erase a couple of these lines. Okay, so here we've got the bottom of, well, kind of the ankle place really, and then we've got the top part of the shoe comes round, bottom part of the shoe goes round, follows both oval shapes, comes up round one of the other oval shapes and round. So that's one shoe, and then the other one goes round like so. Another line goes round the bottom and all the way up, round the two oval shapes. Sorry, this part, I didn't follow it very well. There we go, can you see that? Okay. Round the top, and then round. And then it has a sole, which comes all the way around and in, like that. And then you can bring the leg further down. And last but not least, the tail. So that comes all the way around like that. So step 3 is we're going to colour it all in black. So let's go over these shapes that we did before. You can just use felt tip pens or Sharpies or permanent markers, whatever you've got. Okay, now I'm going to erase all the pencil lines. So last but not least, we're going to add just a red and a yellow tone. And there we have our finished Mickey Mouse. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. And if you've got any requests whatsoever, please put them down in the comment section below. And I do hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for joining me. Bye bye.